Hello there, welcome back. So you might have heard about iPhone SE 3 being cheaper than the previous generation. Well, you are right, if new reports are anything to go by. The iPhone SE 3 may be 25% cheaper than the previous model. According to Apple analyst John Donovan, the iPhone SE 3 price could start at $300, which is around Rs 22,600 in India when converted. However, if you factor in the taxes, it may cost close to Rs 30,000. Just to give you an idea, the iPhone SE 2020 was launched in the US with a price tag of $399, around Rs 30,500, but it was made available in India for Rs 42,500, so you do the math. Although many e-retailers are selling iPhone 2020 for $30,000 at the moment. Anyhow, that's another good news. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman suggests that this might be the best time for Apple to slash the price of iPhone SE 2020 to attract more budget-conscious customers. He says the price could go down to $199 for SE 2020, approximately Rs 15,000. In India, it is expected to be around Rs 20,000, which is still more if compared to Android's budget offering, but that comparison in itself is unfair. So if you are looking to buy an iPhone under budget, then you should wait. It's better than a refurbished iPhone, and the iPhone SE 2022 is likely to launch on March 8th, where Apple is expected to announce a refreshed iPad and Mac computers as well. About specs, as far as the hardware is concerned, reports suggest that the iPhone SE 3 could be powered by Apple's A15 chipset with 5G connectivity support and runs iOS 15 operating system out of the box. Rest of the specs like the display, design and maybe cameras will remain the same. So that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.